RN120 filling sealing machine. User's instructions. Here is power switch plug. We will send this plug with the machine. With interface slot. Here is the main power switch of the machine. Boot up. The machine is now powered on and turned on. There is alarm and operation indicator. The air supply is here, inside the machine. Air pipe connect here. This pipe is from your air compressor. There is a valve to link and shut off the air supply. Machine running pressure need 0.6米 PA 加。This is the machine air pressure detection device. If the air pressure is low, the machine will alarm. Nitrogen gas connection here. Only need to keep the nitrogen gas pressure a little big than climate, then it's okay. These are nitrogen gas pipes. The airflow is adjustable. Now machine is alarmed. You can check the alarm information on the screen. In this alarm page, you can see all the information. Red light flashes every time there is an alarm. You can press the fault reset to clear the alarm, or press red stop button to clear the alarm. Press in the upper left corner to return to the main interface. You can see all the functions on the screen. And every stations you can enter the parameter setting. The password is 198888. This is the empty capsule storage magazine. You can put capsules like this. Here has a sensor to detect cups to open the drop tunnel. If there is no cups, the light will turn green. If has cups inside magazine, there will turn orange color. If the cup has slid and fallen in the slide, then adjust this screw. You can loosen the two screws and then can adjust the width of the slide. The another side is same to adjust the width of cup slider. There is a cup sensor here. If no cups, the signal will turn green, and if has cups, the light will turn orange. This position, we made a marker line. We will disassemble the cup delivery mechanism when we ship. You just need to align the position after you receive it and lock it tight. Only need to fix these two screws. And then connect the vacuum coffee loader. All is connect with quick connector.